We are diving into the core of web analytics, and by the end of this video, you'll understand the power Google Tag Manager unlocks for your website tracking. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is Google Tag Manager, commonly known as GTM? Think of it as a central command center for managing all the tracking codes on your website. It's designed to help you understand what your website visitors do, and it streamlines web analytics. Without GTM, adding and updating tracking codes, like those for Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or any other third-party service, would involve directly editing your website's code. This can be time-consuming and, let's face it, a bit daunting. Google Tag Manager solves this by providing a user-friendly interface. Inside GTM, you can easily add tags, which are snippets of code that do the actual tracking. Define triggers, which tell the tags when to fire, based on specific actions, like a button click, and use variables, which supply further data like product IDs. This system gives you powerful and sophisticated tracking possibilities. Now, what does this actually do for your website? GTM makes it super simple to track important actions like button clicks, form submissions, video views, and much more. It cuts out the coding complexity and replaces it with an easy-to-use interface. So, if you're ready to take control of your web analytics and understand your audience even better, explore GTM. It's built to empower website owners with the knowledge they need. Check out the tutorial.